Bangkok now on our way to Conchai Air by way of taxi. Conchai Air is a premium bus company, very comfortable luxury buses. And when we are traveling, I'll try to get a little video as we go, depending on where I'm seated on the bus. Don't let the overcast sky fool you. It's 28°C right now at, I don't think it's even 7 a.m. yet, before 7 a.m., which is roughly 82 degrees, but it says it feels like 34, which is probably around 90 degrees. I'm not sure. Anyhow, it's very humid and I'm sweating already. Other than that, we're happy to be back in Thailand. Arriving at Conchai Air. We are in the bus station now, waiting for various different buses that'll be coming through here. Ours is going to be loading at gate 2. And notice they have Amazon coffee here. Really good coffee. I actually like 7-Eleven coffee here better, the iced coffee. And it's even a lot cheaper. Alright, more to follow. Okay, this trip we're going to Surin on the gold class bus instead of the whatever the one we did last time. They had the luxury lounge seats and everything. This was all we could get last minute because our flight issue. So we're on this one today, and it's not that bad. There's still enough room for me, big guy. So it's worth, the gold class is worth using if you're trying to travel reasonably inexpensive. I think with our bags and everything, it cost around $42 US. So it's not the worst in the world.